Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to redeem a license key in Dropbox. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. If you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. This right here is the interface. Now let's simply look at how to redeem a license key. At the top right, you will see your profile picture right here, right next to the bell icon. Simply click on it, and then something like this will open up. Do note that there are lots of settings here, but what you guys have to do is simply scroll right over to manage account. It is just below settings. Simply click on it, and then you will be redirected to this new page. Well, as you can see, here is Dropbox Basic, Personal Dropbox Space, and at the bottom you can see something like license keys. And at the right side of it, there's a button like this that says redeem a license key. Simply click on it. And from here, just enter your license key right here and select the country. And guys, that's it. Once you've entered it, simply hit on start using Dropbox Plus. That's the gist of it guys. That's how you redeem a license in Dropbox. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.